Hello everybody, today we're going to have a quick unboxing of Samsung Tab A. So it's a good alternative to something like iPad mini if you want an Android. So it has 32 gig and 2 gig RAM. This one is LTE, so it's like you can put a SIM card. Okay, so open it up. So here we have, we'll go back to it. So here we have manual. This one costs like a little bit over $100. Non-LTE versions often cost like $100, some on sale. We have this one is micro USB. It's an old one. Here we have power adapter. Okay. That's it, right? That's it. So cable and power adapter. Let's look at this. So we open it right here. And turn on. Here, charging here. Okay. Here we put SIM card, camera. So here we have front camera. So we turn it on. We see Samsung Tab A. You can see the screen. So we have like over here on the sides. Might be more of a black on the sides than on an iPad mini, but this one is more than twice cheaper, so I think it's a very good alternative to more expensive Apple. And it's gonna go through everything, and then you'll be able to use it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.